What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today marks the first episode of the 2024 trail rebuild. Let's get into it. Alright, as most of you guys know, this is our main jump trail, Stonewall style, here at Stonewall Trails. And over this winter, it's taken its toll. So this episode, we're gonna fix it up. All right, the first thing on our agenda is taking all this debris and brush out of the trail. All this stuff mainly came from this massive tree that fell down over the winter. Let's start off with this log over here that crosses the trail. All right, I got most of the trail all cleared out. It's looking pretty good. Next, let's untarp the jumps and see what we're working in. All right, jump number one, let's do it. Looking pretty good. Just need some more dirt. They fared pretty well in the winter. All right, now we're here at the step up. Let's see how it is. Nice and golden dirt. Still has its shape. Alright, both of the jumps fared pretty well during this winter, but they definitely need some work. I'm gonna go grab the shovels and we'll start digging. This winter, so many trees fell down because of the storms that all the trails are now kind of in ruins. So this summer you'll be seeing a lot more trail build videos. All right, first up, let's get this lip running. This lip really did not take that much dirt and not that much work, but it's looking real good. Next, let's fix up this landing. This jump really does not need that much work. I fixed it up in a different video, like that in the description, but I'm just gonna pack this landing in, maybe throw a bit of dirt on it. It really doesn't need much, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Like I mentioned before, this jump really does not need that much work, but it's looking good anyways. So we're gonna move on to the next lip. This is the step up, or we also call it the dirt jump, because the lip's steep and the landing's steep. But this jump needs a whole bunch of work. The landing's kind of eroded, falling apart. The lip needs a little bit of work, just a little bit of tweaking. And overall just needs a little bit of work. So let's get into it. All right, first we're gonna fix up this lip. Sick. All right, the lip turned out great because it was pretty much intact. But on the other hand, the landing is in rough shape. All right, let's try to make it better. right, the jump is finished. It's looking pretty fresh right now. Guess we should go hit it. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Happy sands.